Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is actually Windows. It's not a rise. And before you unsubscribe me,
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
so I have to use Windows just because the software which I want to show you is in Windows, which I really love. Okay. And this software is so well written. It is written by Russians, and Russians really treat computers well. And it's one of the most chat software which isn't available on Linux. And I have Windows because I play Counter Strike sometimes with friends. So I want to listen music. Sometimes I play music. I have like my music player in Linux, MPC. But here, sometimes when I want to listen music, I use this like AIMP music player. Okay, AMP music player. And this thing, if I open my task manager, okay, only take around like 5 MB or 6 MB. Where it is? Where is AMP? Where is AMP? Okay, it takes around, where is this thing? Okay, let's play the song, and then this is 12 MB, okay? Sometime okay, I just played a song, that's why it's taking some, more memory, but usually it takes like 7 MB, and this is so lightweight and it just works. It just works so well. And these Russians constantly make so many themes for AMP music player. Now, one of my friend was using this another software called like Spotify to listen music one day, and I was like, what the hell? Like it was using more than 1.5 GB. And when I asked him to uninstall it, the size of the whole thing was like more than 3 GB, and maybe because of cache or something. But look at AMP. AMP is giving me everything in just like 4 MB software. If I try to uninstall it, it just works really fine. And I can listen to any song in better quality. I'm not streaming, I download, but like when you stream, you never get like best quality. And some people say, yeah, but then you have to carry your hard drive all the time. Not really. There is this another really cool software which I use, SSHFS, which is available in every like in every computer. Basically, you can use it in Mac, you can use it in Windows, and I can even watch my shows anywhere. And like, let's just play some show just to show you. Okay, so I can use VLC to play, so I can watch my media from anywhere, and it's directly baked into your kernel. Okay, so you can just install it. So this is how like I mount my music anywhere. So see this is not local. This is running from, like my Raspberry Pi in my home. Okay. And I can actually watch anything, play anything. Yeah, it can take some time sometimes. But I actually watch daily, and from local network, it just works really fine. For music, it just works great. Okay. Um, yeah, it is taking some time. All right. Now it's working. So, and this kernel level mount, okay, so sadly the only thing which frustrate me is that like I don't get this in, look at the themes, by the way. I just want to keep changing themes to show you new theme. Most of you might like such themes. So I really love the softwares when they allow you to have like unique themes. All right. um there is this one theme which I like a lot. Where it is, 10. Okay, not this one actually, but fine. So, iTunes theme. I really loved iTunes when I was a kid. I used to install it on my Windows, but it was so bloat. But here I am getting like iTunes like vibe without having any bloat, by just using AMP. And if you go to this website, there are so many themes, and whereas like AMP music player theme, look at this. This is the official page, and there is this one more theme page, like website via themes, where you can find like your favorite theme for AMP. Okay, there are more than like thousands of themes. Alright, you can even write your own themes. So let me show you one more theme which I really like. Is this one? Yeah, this one. It have like in this theme, what you can do. There is some issue with my mounting. Okay. Open play next. Yeah, it is working. So what I can do is I can actually pin it, like hide. And see, it also have like mini player option. It just baked into my system so well. Okay. I really wish like I get something like this in Linux, but since I'm like I only use terminals and TUI, I'm happy with my like current RMPC. And since I'm mounting things, if you're wondering how you can mount, there's this Win and like Win SSFS, yeah, this one. Only need to run two commands in PowerShell, and you can just mount any of your cloud, Raspberry Pi, or any server where you keep all your data, and you can just access all your data by using this. Okay. So the only sad thing is that if your phone is not rooted, you cannot get your data in your phone like Android. You can try something else, but it's not as fun as using SSFS. Okay. So even in my window, like whatever medias I have, like my personal photos, my trip photos, my music, whatever the favorite shows, like whatever I like, okay, I always have it stored in some hard drive. Okay, I'm finding the button to like make it big, and I know this will close AMP pin to stay on top. I don't know like how to make this big. So every team have a unique whatever. Okay, unique layout. So oh wow, it opened again on. Wow, I'm so screwed. Have to find something. My disk is not mounted, I think. Yeah, I unmounted it before the tutorial. No, I don't know what's happening because I never like I haven't used Windows for very long. But oh god, like okay, this one. So let's just change the theme to this one. So yeah, this software is really good. And along with this software, the SSHFS technique is so good. Like if I'm anywhere, okay, anywhere, I can just access my music, okay? And some people might wonder, yeah, but Spotify gives you so many cool options like like algorithm and you can explore better, stuff like that. But actually I have a trick for that which I cannot discuss here. But what I can tell you, like I sometimes open YouTube music on my phone, like go to music.youtube.com or like whatever. Yeah, youtube.com. And whatever songs I like, I just add it in one of my YouTube playlists. I can show you that. Okay. So we go to like YouTube channel of Bugs Fighter. So let's just, let's open an incognito YouTube channel of Bugs Fighter. Um, so if you go to like music, so there is a public playlist I created like music, and whatever songs I like, I I add it in my like this music playlist. Okay. And whatever songs I add in this playlist, one night when fairy comes in my Raspberry Pi, and it just ensure to buy that song for me from the right sources. So yeah, I just get it in best quality, and that fairy ensure that I have like perfect album art and everything. So I just love this setup. So whatever, like whenever I feel like shopping for music, I go to YouTube Music because it have like decent algorithm, and in the end of the day the source of music is actually Spotify and Apple Music and this thing like what you call it, like YouTube Music. Okay. So yeah, oh no, I need to change the wallpaper now. um you know what? I should close my windows and now show you my Linux setup of music because that is also really cool. And I really like having my own media downloaded in my personal hard drive. So let's just stop this recording and go to Linux again.